Hey everybody, it's Friday night and look who's here!
Yes.
Do you remember this man? The big bully on campus?
Not me.
Yes, you.
Not me.
Yes, you. Chris freaking Hendricks in the flesh. And he is a...
Oh, yeah. You guys are going to love this, okay? For those of y'all who thought I was in jail, I'm not. Okay?
He's a cop! He carries a gun, and guess what? He let me borrow one.
Two of them.
He's got the Glock, and I got the...
Yeah.
What do I got?
It's a car.
A car.
Your finger does not go on the trigger.
It doesn't?
No.
Where does it go?
On the side. Like that.
Because?
Hmm?
Because?
Because if you put your finger on the trigger and it's
loaded... It's not loaded.
Yes, but if you get in the habit of doing that...
Oh, okay.
You will,
it's training with Chris.
And of course, we have these.
The handcuffs.
The always ever popular handcuffs. We'll just put one on her
I've
like
never
that.
been handcuffed before.
And then this is probably where she belongs.
Oh, baby.
I didn't bring a key with me.
Are you serious?
No.
So now you have to uncuff me.
I don't know where my
So,
keys at.
believe it or not, kids, you can be a bully in school and grow up to be a police officer
no, not a
for
bully.
the Houston PD.
No, Lakeview.
Lakeview.
Just south of Houston.
Just south of Houston. So, what's new with Chris?
Not a lot new with Chris, except for Chris has got new hips. I wore the old ones out, so. But I'm fully recovered.
And he still walks with a limp, everybody. Remember the bully that comes walking down the senior thingy with his limp and the long hair? He still has it.
That would have been Brad with the limp. I never had
No,
a limp.
you have a little skip limp, too.
No, that's probably because I was always hurt.
There you go. And you know what? It didn't pay off because now he has 2 new hips. And he grew an inch and a half in height, not the other way, girls.
Oh, well, I still got a little here.
Let me see. Yeah, he's got some pecs. Today's music's been brought to you by... Who?
Glock.
No, Houses of the Holy.
Oh, I'm sorry. Houses of the Holy. Sorry, people.
And
2 margaritas at the Mexican place before we got here.
And then it's been brought to you by, sponsored by
Glock.
Oh, you said not to touch it.
Yes.
Don't get trigger happy. Anyways, wait a minute. This is for Robin. And this is for Kelly. Okay, because they say I always do that.
Oh, that?
Always, yeah. And I fix it.
Okay.
And what's the peace out? How does Dana say goodbye on her show?
I think she does something rather...
You can tell Chris doesn't watch my show.
I don't know. It's something like that. Peace out.
It's peace
Okay.
out. Ciao, babies.
Oh,
Okay, ready, Chris?
Yes.
So until next time,
Oh,
peace out. Ciao, babies.
Okay.
So see, kids, bad boys grow up to be good boys.
That's right.
Till next time, ciao.